back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Welcome to all my new subscribers. This is going to be a fun video. This is a sewing tag video. I have not done a sewing tag video in years, so this was so much fun, and I will admit it was a bit challenging to try to narrow this thing down, but I had to think about, okay, what do I always know, no matter the season, what I'm reaching for. And for those who are new to the channel, I am here in Texas, so it's hot, and as the day that I'm filming this, we have a very high index, what did they say, triple digit high index today, so it is hot. So keep that in mind for the items that I share with you. I want to say thank you to Cherie Thomas. Go over and watch her video. She had tagged me and some other ladies here on YouTube, and so definitely go check her out. Thank you so much, Cherie, girl. You had me thinking. I had to think. The tag was actually started by Sara from Naughty Gnome here on YouTube, so make sure you go check out her video. Actually, Sara did mention, because I did watch Sara's video. Hey Sara, thanks for the tag, that's a good one. She is making a playlist with everybody's video who does a video. She's going to add it to the playlist on her channel, and you can go check it out. I do have several YouTubers, yes, several, because you all know how I talk about my watch later list, but anyway, so I kind of, you know, scrolled through my watch later list, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm tagging these people. And so stay tuned to the end for the channels that I tag. I will leave their channel. I will tag them in the description box. And so if you go down to the description box, you'll see who I tag. You'll see the link to Sara's video as well as Cherie's. So what is the tag? What are your 5 handmade essentials? So you need to choose a top, a bottom, a dress, kind of a layering piece, if you will, and then your 5th item can be a wild card. I don't know if my 5th item is going to be a wild card to you all, because I use it every day. I talk about it quite a bit, and if you see me on see my pictures on Instagram, you see me always on me. But anyway, that's going to be my wild card item. Can you guess what it was? Can you guess? Can you guess? Anyway, you already know, for those who follow. So I am going to start with the tops. This for me, essentially, initially I was going to do, these are my 5 TNTs and my 5 essentials, but actually it is not. That wouldn't necessarily be accurate, and you'll see why as I go through them. So what I'm going to do is share with you 5 essential items in my handmade wardrobe, again based on where I live and everything like that, and then give you a couple options that you can choose from as well. If you don't have to necessarily have these patterns. You might have something in your stash that you can work with, that you can hack and get the look. So let me start with tops. So with tops, I am going to go with, you all probably know what some of my TNTs are. It will be a tank, and I'm gonna say this is a variation of a tank, but a tank. And so actually this is 3 different ways, and I'm wearing one of the ways. And so this here is the Title top by Love Notions. Absolutely love, and I wore it with the bottom. I'll share with you when I share my bottom, but the top, easy. I like my arms out. If you're not a sleeveless girl, this might not be for you, but throw some sleeves on it if it's not. But the Title top, absolutely love, absolutely love. And then this here, I call it a tank with a cow neck. I'm cheating a little bit, just a little bit, but this is, it was a McCall's pattern, but it's now a Butterick pattern. Now I'll pop up on the screen what Butterick pattern that is. And so all the time I'm wearing these. And so and this will transition into the dress. So, and this is a, sorry, this is a little dirty. I spilled something on it, but anyway, excuse that. But this is also another tank that was that also had a dress piece to it, I believe. Or did I? No, I extended it into a dress. I don't sew from this company anymore, so I'm gonna give you a couple other options. But a tank extended into a dress. So you all know I just picked up the Know Me patterns. This is the Corny Rainbow. I can't remember the number, but I'll pop it up on the screen. That underneath is a knit, and so this is knit. These are all knits. Again, that's something else that, you know, is essential for me. Easy to wear, throw on, and all that. But anyway, without having to necessarily iron. And so under the underpiece for that Corny Rainbow pattern is a knit tank dress. You can chop that into measure to where you want it to be to make it a top, or make it into a tank dress. I reach for my tank dresses all the time. And also my other dress you all see me wear a lot is a tank. It's a free pattern. It's Helen's Closet Luna tank that I extended into a dress, and so that's a free pattern. And so again, you can just do the tank or extend into a tank dress. So for me, yeah, those kind of go hand in hand because I love sleeveless when I'm out and about. Yeah, I really made a mess. I had 8, you guys forgive me. And so yeah, and that goes along with also because I made the title, this is the title top, I did make a dress version. Again, tank dress. So if you kind of see the theme, this is, you know, 1 and 2. This is my top and dress, right? So you can really mix and match your patterns, create different looks with them. And so that's what I did with these. So the next piece I want to share with you is my layering piece. So we got a top, we got a dress, we have a layering piece. So my third piece. So the layering piece, actually I just made these and I made another I'll be sharing on the upcoming video. But Simplicity 8097, you guys, I have made 2, and I've also made 1 more that you'll see coming up soon. But I even wore this. This one is the one that Myra had gifted me, the fabric. It's a duster. So if you like dusters, if you like those styles of just layering pieces that you can just throw on, especially down here in Texas, it's hot. But when you go into stores, when you go to the movies, restaurants, it's cold. And so just to have something nice and light on, I can still wear my tank. Actually, I wore these 2 together, this tank and this layering piece. And you all saw this. I wore this all most of the weekend when I traveled recently, and I did a whole video on them. But a layering piece such as this would be absolutely phenomenal. That is essential item number 3. Essential item number 4 is a simple dress. So this is the Friday Pattern Company, and this is my this is the first one I made. I made a another version after this as well, but this is Friday Pattern Company. Why is the name escaping me? I'll put the the pattern. I did this in collaboration with Cherie, actually, last summer or summer, no, 2 summers ago, I believe that was, we did a collab on this. But this is the Friday Pattern Company wrap dress, and it's just the top, it's just the bodice of this that's wrapped. But there again, a dress that you can easily throw on. But say you want something, this you can dress up. Obviously you can dress up a tank dress, you all know that, but this here just is automatically easy to dress up, right? This I've worn to church, you know, to different functions or gatherings, and you dress it up with your jewelry and your accessories and everything like that. Real simple. This is so, I highly recommend this pattern. It's so easy to put together, and it's just like I said, the bodice top is wrapped, but then the skirt is just a regular A-line skirt that's attached. So super easy, so super easy. If you want a simple dress, for me, dresses like this that again is knit, easy to throw on, and I'm out the door. So and I didn't really go into, you'll notice I really didn't go into a bottom, and it's because I don't tend to wear a lot of bottoms, period. I am starting to, like, I do wear skirts, circle skirts, different things of that nature. But if I were to say essentials, my quick, easy pop on, I'm out the door. If it was, you know, just a rush, it's things that's I can easily just throw together with something, right? And even with the tanks. Now, like I said, I do have bottom skirts and things. Those tanks I can throw with those easily. And different things like that. I'll pop up a couple pictures so you kind of see what I'm talking about. But if I were to say more so than not, I'm gonna throw on a tank dress, a simple dress like this, and then have my overlay piece, right? And so yeah, let's close out with my wild card item. And for those who don't know, now you know. This is essential. Ever since I made this, no matter if I carry another handbag or something like that, I always go back to this. And sometimes, depending on how big the other bag is, I will just put this inside of that because I know I'm going to be carrying other things in that bag. But this is the Phoebe Clutch by Georgia Girl Stitches. You all know let me come up closer. I absolutely love this. And she is, you know, she has the slits on the pockets on the inside, the zipper pocket, 2 areas for items in here and here. And then of course this unzips and it's full length, and then you have the zip in the back. When I tell you this is essential, I love this. I'm not, usually 98% of the time I have this when I'm running errands, when I'm out and about, when I'm going grocery shopping, running to the store, because it's so easy. I just throw it on. You know, I'm not worried about leaving it in the cart or anything like that. It's on me. It's on my person. And I absolutely love this. So those are my essential items. I am now going to tag a few ladies. And when I say a few, it's a few, quite a few. And I will pop up their YouTube screens up here. So again, you can go follow them. No harm, no foul. For those who I tag that you decide not to do the video, don't feel any pressure. But I thought it was fun to do. If you have something to share or some input into it, feel free to do the tag and let us all know that you've done it. But I am going to tag Izzy from Dizzy Quilts and Sews, Rebecca from Tribeca Designs, Denise from Sew Limitless, Tanya Bryant, Karan, I don't know how to pronounce your last name. Is it U-turn? But Karan, T from Crumpets Tea and Sewing, and of course Crystal from Crystal Sews and Stuff, Anne Marie from Anne Marie's Workshop, and Miss Main Course, or I should say Mrs. because I know she's married. Mrs. Main Course, but I don't remember your first name. But anyway, those are the ladies that I am tagging here on YouTube. So again, I will tag them in the description box. You can click on the tag and head on their names and head on over to their channels to check them out. But yeah, those are my 5 essentials, handmade essentials, with of course here is the bonus item here, of course. And if you have any questions about anything that I share with you, feel free to leave it down in the description box below. And feel free, if you're not tagged and you want to do the video or something fun you think you want to do, go ahead and do the video. Head over to Sara's channel and you can see kind of the genesis of why she started the tag. But thanks again, Sara, for the tag. This was absolutely fun to do, and I thank you everybody for tuning in today. You all have a blessed rest of your week, and stay tuned. I have another video coming up for you on Wednesday. All right, everybody. Bye.